You searched how to buy shares of Harvey Norman Holdings Limited. Harvey Norman is an Australian retail group selling furniture, electronics, and appliances. It trades on CBOE AUS under the ticker HVN.ASX, and this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To proceed, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HVN.ASX. Then select the matching Harvey Norman listing to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing. Ensure the name, market CBOE AUS, and ticker HVN.ASX match before moving on. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and check the order details carefully. Confirm the order. If the market is closed, it may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the trade is placed, the position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description to get started with this educational example.